Alright, let's proceed to subtraction of integers. So let's have an example here. Negative 2 minus 1. Okay, so in this case, the two numbers here has different sign. Okay, so in subtraction of different sign, all you need to do is change the subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend, which is positive 1, become negative 1. Okay, these two numbers have the same sign. All you need to do is add the two numbers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then copy the common sign, which is negative. So our final answer is negative 3. Okay, let's have another one. Negative 5 minus negative 2. Okay, so in this case, both number has the same sign. So all you need to do is change the subtraction to addition, and also change the sign of the subtrahend, which is negative 2 become positive 2. Okay, so now since both numbers has different sign, okay, even though this is addition, but both number has different sign, all you need to do is subtract this number. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then copy the sign of a number which has the greater value, which is negative. So negative 3. Another example is 3 minus 1. Okay, in this case, since this number has the same sign, all you need to do is simply subtract these two numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, since positive, both positive, then 2 is also positive. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much.